I need thickness of 2 legs, plus a 1/2 inch, and of course, always mess it up. Doesn't have to be dead on exact, but close to it. And then I need 8 inches. So, and this doesn't have to be perfect because I can make everything just match. 1. That long. Right, back, front. I want the tenon to stick out a 1/4 inch, so I can put the mark here. One. It doesn't have to be precisely 8 inches, just 8 inches-ish. That. Little tenon. Now, I need this to be exactly the same length as this. So, line those up and draw a line. That's the shoulder. I can come back and mark them all out. Just need to smooth them out. Need 4 inches. That's the center of it. Work. 1 and 2. And then let's come out 1 inch. And 1 inch. Can I clamp both at the same time this way? Let's see. Oh, so close. So should half lap. Pin those all up. Squeeze it down. Okay. Three. So, theoretically, they should all line up. Two, without moving anything. Three, mark from there to there, and there to there. All of those to wiggle down in. Need to be about a 1/4 inch. Actually, let's do it. Okay. So, yeah, I do have enough space there. One there. There. And that can go there. And that can go there. Whew. One. Two. Theoretically, that should fly down in there. Let's just take that off for a moment. Don't need that on there. Should go on down. Into you and you. So this then goes into there. So now we got to mark holes on that. So we need one mark there. One mark there is here. That to there, to there. front, back. So we've got not enough space. That's the way it's supposed to go. So I need to work on these two faces. And with the front one, I need to be down this far. So number one, tick in the corner. Ow. Right side. That's the top of the table. Left. I need to go into here, yes. 3 marks going all the way through. Boompa, boompa chaka. Kata. Left one, now let's do the right one. And slightly bigger mark. Oh, so close. So close. Yeah. Cool. now let's put this beast together. Yeah, it's been a while. I've been working on this project for almost a year now, and hopefully someday we'll actually finish it. I'm really liking how this is coming out. It's actually part of a full bedroom set to match the style of the bed and the dresser, and so all of that works together to become a single piece. And I would love to hear what you think about it. I'm sure there are things I could do better, things I could do differently. Let me know those down in the comments down below. I do actually read through all the comments, and I learn a lot from that, so thank you. That really means a lot to me. Also, if you'd like to take it one step farther and really help out the channel, there are a bunch of names over here. Those are all the patrons on Patreon. And without patrons on the channel, we wouldn't exist. We're completely sponsored by viewers, and you guys are the ones literally keeping us here. Without you, the lights wouldn't be on, the camera wouldn't be running, and Wood by Wright wouldn't exist. We do offer special perks for both patrons and members here on the channel, people who've clicked that little join button, and thank you for that. If you'd like to find out more, you can go to patreon.com/woodbywright or click the little join button and find out more about that. I think I'll do it for now. And until next time, have a wonderful day. This is the project that never ends. It goes on, my friends. Someday I started making it, not knowing what it was. And I'll continue making it forever just because.